Hi, my name is Betsy Butler, and I'm one of the course writers for course 5854, Guided Math. This course is all about Dr. Nicki Newton's math stations, and there's plenty of the course to help you schedule your math block to accommodate the math stations, but also nods towards differentiation and group work so that students can move through those stations and really get the most out of that time spent as a group learning. I love that this course really impresses upon teachers that students can be mathematicians. Oftentimes, they don't see themselves as such, and they might just think it's just a subject in school. But when they become mathematicians, then they really do feel the power to be able to manipulate things in order to best understand how things work in math. And that is a gift you can give to your students that they will continue to reap the benefits for years to come.